Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. Today we're going to be making a Christmas ribbon wreath, and I used a 12-inch wreath form from Walmart. You're also going to need some ribbon with wire. I used 4 colors this time. Normally I just use 3 colors. Last year I did a really cute ribbon candy cane wreath. If you haven't seen that tutorial, I'll link it below in the description box for you, but I only used 3 colors on it. This time I used 4. Take your ribbons and stack them one on top of the other. Keep them in the same order throughout the entire wreath. You're going to take a zip tie or a pipe cleaner and secure your ribbon to that crossbar. Next, you're going to take the end of the ribbon, just push it through the middle wires to the back of the wreath. Okay, now we're going to be doing 5-inch bubbles. This is very simple to do and it turns out really cute. Just try to keep your ribbon flat and not twisted. Move down about 5 inches and make a bubble or a loop, and we're only going to be using the 2 middle wires. You'll need some pipe cleaners, and I cut mine in half. Take your pipe cleaner, wrap it around your ribbon, and remember just those 2 middle wires is all we're using. Then go to the back and give your pipe cleaner a few twists and then fold it down. It's very simple to do. You're just going to try to make 5-inch bubbles each time. So keep your ribbon in the same order. Make a loop or bubble, whatever you like to call it. Then take a pipe cleaner, wrap it around your ribbon. Only use those 2 middle wires. Then go to the back and twist your pipe cleaner and fold it down. And then I like to push my loops forward. Now you're going to make 5 loops in each section. So you're making 5-inch loops and 5 bubbles or loops per section. You have probably seen me do this same method using Dollar Tree 6-inch Deco Mesh because I love to use 3 different colors of the Dollar Tree mesh to make this bubble method wreath. So this one I'm doing a ribbon wreath, but I love doing the Deco Mesh wreaths. Just in case you haven't seen me do one of my Deco Mesh wreaths using 3 different colors, I can link a tutorial for you in the description box just in case you want to check that one out. The important thing when you're making a ribbon wreath is to try not to get your ribbon twisted. Try to keep it flat and in the same order throughout the entire wreath, because when you get to the end and you separate your loops, whatever was on bottom is going to the inner circle and whatever was on top's going to the outer circle. So that's why it's important to keep your ribbon in the same order. Now I have my wreath finished, and this is how it looks without doing anything else to it. I like to separate my loops, and that takes just a little time to do, but it's so worth it. So the bottom color, I pull to the inner circle. The next to the bottom color, just right beside it. The one in the middle stays in the middle, and then the one on the top goes to the right or the outer circle. Just do the same pattern all the way around until you have all of your loops separated. Next, I'm adding a big bow, so let out a tail, make a loop, keep it pinched tightly in your hand, make another loop on the other side, go back to the first side, make another loop, check to make sure it's about the same size, then go back to the other side and make another loop, then let out a tail, and you'll want to have a pipe cleaner or some floral wire close by to wrap it nice and tight around the center of your bow. I went ahead and added the solid red bow because I thought that's what I wanted on it, but after I had it on there for a little while, I decided that I wanted to add the smaller 1.5 inch width ribbon on top, so I tied a second bow, wired them together, and then I just wired the big bow onto the left side of the wreath. In the comment section below, you'll have to let me know your thoughts on the bow. Should I change it up and do something totally different, or what color ribbons would you use to make a bow? After you attach your bow, make sure you fluff the loops, make sure your tails are facing forward, and then just kind of check the loops on your wreath to make sure that everything is nice and fluffy. And that's it, guys. This wreath is so simple to make, and it really doesn't take that much time to make at all either. And here's how the bow looks with the smaller bow. On top, I just used some floral wire and wrapped it around the big red bow. That way they're both attached. Then I'm just threading it through the wreath and then going to go the back and twist the wires. And that's it, guys. It's ready to hang up on my door. And this wreath needs to be kept inside. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this ribbon wreath tutorial. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and share. Also, in the comment section, let me know if you have started your Christmas shopping or if you have finished your Christmas shopping. I am almost finished. I still have a few little things to buy for my kids.